In a shocking revelation of the SEC versus Coinbase lawsuit, it seems that something unpredicted has just been revealed, as Coinbase partners with one of the largest traditional financial companies in America. This company manages approximately $9 trillion and owns pretty much of all America as a shareholder. I bet you can't guess what just happened. If you're brand new to the channel, welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto and NFTs every day. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and of course set alerts and push this out. We need people to get the information. So, who did Coinbase partner with? Just in, $9 trillion asset manager Blackrock names Coinbase as SSA counterpart in updated spot Bitcoin ETF filing. As you know, last week, we talked about BlackRock's Bitcoin spot ETF being denied by the SEC. It wasn't necessarily denied, it wasn't rejected, it needed to be revised. But of course, mainstream media and crypto companies, well, crypto news companies, we don't always report everything properly because you know those clicks. This is why you gotta watch the entire video. But anyways, basically, BlackRock, Bitwise, and a lot of these other companies that are filing for Bitcoin spot ETFs, they needed to list an intermediary. That intermediary is going to be Coinbase. And this is pretty interesting considering that Coinbase is currently being hit hard by the SEC, and I think unjustly. Basically, the SEC came out and says, you're selling unregistered securities, you need to stop. Coinbase said, okay, what am I doing wrong? Let me report to you. Let's find out what's happening. They met with the SEC, or tried to meet with them 20 times in 2022. The SEC was too busy meeting with the likes of Sam Bankman-Fried. The SEC never responded to them. So the SEC went and sued Coinbase. That's just basically what happened in a nutshell, alleging that they were selling securities, some of our favorite crypto assets, Polygon, Matic, Cardano, okay? And in the lawsuit, just because these assets were alleged securities doesn't mean they are securities. Anyways, Coinbase is actively fighting that, but it's really interesting that the SEC decided to go after Coinbase when the United States government uses Coinbase as a way to sell OTC, over the counter, their crypto assets. Y'all remember Silk Road? Well, when Silk Road went down and the Bitcoin that was confiscated from that crazy thing that happened, you know, Silk Road, they went to Coinbase and they used their services. Anytime the government obtains crypto assets from any illegal or wrongdoing, they have to use a third party to sell those crypto assets. Just generally, it's OTC, so it doesn't impact the market. But again, it's very interesting that the SEC is going after Coinbase and fighting with them when BlackRock just named them as the intermediary, or as the person that's going to be helping with, you know, custody of the funds, all that type of stuff, you know. So again, Coinbase is not, in my opinion, running an illegal business. They have really terrible customer service, but at the end of the day, BlackRock wouldn't have picked them if they didn't think that this was going to get approved. And this also just goes to show how unscrupulous and how ridiculous the SEC is, especially in all of the unjustly attacks, like they've gone after Ripple and Library and Bittrex, you name it. But do you guys think that the Bitcoin spot ETF is actually getting approved now? Comment your thoughts below and share this out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.